Let's be honest, working with PDFs shouldn't be this complicated. Every time you need to edit a PDF, sign a document, convert it into a Word file, or even just rearrange a few pages, you're suddenly downloading software, dealing with subscription, or jumping between 5 different websites. It's honestly a mess. So today, we're putting one browser-based solution to the test. This tool is called PrimePDF, and we're going to see whether it can actually replace those bulky PDF applications. Now, PrimePDF is an online PDF editor that runs entirely inside your browser. That means there's no software to install, no lengthy setup process, and no worrying about whether your computer has enough storage. Simply open the website, upload your file, edit it, download the finished version. That simplicity is honestly one of the first things I noticed. So let's jump in and see what it can actually do. Now, the first thing that stood out to me was how clean the interface is. Everything is organized into categories, so instead of digging through endless menus, you immediately see options for editing, converting, and compressing, signing, organizing pages, and other PDF tools. Even if you've never used an online PDF editor before, it's very easy to understand where everything is. Within seconds, I was uploading my first document and trying out the different features. Let's start with the feature most people are probably here for, editing PDFs. Normally, once a PDF is created, making changes can be frustrating. With PrimePDF, you can simply upload your document and edit it directly in your browser. I was able to change existing text, add completely new text, adjust formatting, resize text boxes, and even replace images inside the document. You can also move elements around if you need to clean up the layout. And because everything happens online, you don't need to download a heavy desktop editor just to fix one typo. Another feature I tested was the form filling and digital signature tool. Ever had someone email you a contract that needed a signature? You know the old workflow. Print it, sign it, scan it, send it back. PrimePDF removes that entire process. You can fill out text fields, insert dates, checkboxes, and create a digital signature directly inside the browser. If you already have a signature saved as an image, you can upload that too and place it wherever it's needed. If your workflow involves reviewing documents instead of editing them, PrimePDF also includes annotation tools. You can highlight important sections, underline text, strike through content, leave comments, insert notes, and mark up documents without changing the original content. This is especially useful for students reviewing lecture notes, teachers grading assignments, legal teams reviewing contracts, or anyone collaborating on documents with clients or coworkers. Instead of emailing screenshots back and forth, you can leave all your feedback directly inside the PDF. Now, one area where PrimePDF really tries to be an all-in-one toolkit is file conversion. You can convert PDFs into Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations, image files, basically any format you want. And it also works the other way around, allowing you to convert Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and images back into PDFs. During my testing, the PDF to Word conversion did a surprisingly good job of keeping the original formatting intact, which is usually where online converters struggle. If you've ever copied text from a PDF into Word and watched the formatting completely fall apart, you'll appreciate having a dedicated conversion tool. Large PDF files are another common problem, whether you're emailing assignments, uploading reports, or sending client documents. Oversized files can quickly become annoying. PrimePDF includes a built-in compression tool that reduces file size while maintaining document quality. It is a simple feature, but it's one of those things you don't realize you really need until you're trying to upload a document that's too large. That is just perfect. Another feature I wanted to test out was page management. PrimePDF lets you reorder pages using drag and drop. Rotate pages that were scanned incorrectly, insert new pages, delete pages you don't need, merge multiple PDFs into one document, and split a large PDF into separate files. These are features you'd normally expect from premium desktop software, so having them available inside a browser is definitely convenient. Now let's talk pricing. PrimePDF offers a 7-day trial, which starts with a small one-time entry charge of around $1 for initial access. This lets you explore the platform, test the premium features before deciding whether it's right for you. Just keep in mind that, like many trial subscriptions, if you don't want to continue using the service, you'll want to cancel before the trial period ends to avoid additional charges. I always recommend checking the pricing page yourself since plans can change over time. So, Is PrimePDF the best online PDF editor in 2026? I think it does a really good job of bringing together the tools that most people actually use on a daily basis. Instead of focusing on just one feature, it combines PDF editing, document conversion, digital signatures, annotations, compression, and page organization into one clean browser experience. If you're a student submitting assignments, a freelancer sending contracts, a small business handling paperwork, or a remote worker constantly sharing documents, PrimePDF offers a practical workflow without requiring software installation. Overall, if you're looking for an easy-to-use browser-based PDF editor that covers all the essentials in one place, PrimePDF is definitely worth checking out. And that's my full PrimePDF review. If you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, don't forget to leave us a like. Subscribe for more tech reviews and productivity tools. And let me know in the comments down below, which PDF feature do you use the most? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.